This is Oduma and welcome to this channel, The Oduma. So nowadays we all have a smartphone in our hand. So we usually face some issues regarding sensor, touch, color, speaker, camera, etc. And that's why I am here to give you such tips regarding all of these issues. So first of all, we have to subscribe this channel, and if you think that it can give you a lesson to check your phone at home, then press like button and please press share button to spread out this video to all of your friends. So let's start. Okay, so first of all we open our call button. Okay, then press then this kind of page will open, and then we faces some issues regarding our color. So now we have to check our color of our phone, that it's working or not. Then press it to back. Again press on green. I think our phone color is working. Then press it to back. Okay, so red, green, blue, it's, as we all know that red, green, blue, RGB, it's our primary color. Okay, then we check our receiver, it's working or not. Press receiver. I think you can listen a sound that is working or not. Okay, if it does not work, then this sound will not produce. Then we have to get back. So now we have to check our vibration is working or not. Tap on vibration. Yes, it's working. And then mega cam, our camera is working or not. Yes, it's working. Now the main reason is sensor. I think things is sensor. That's the main thing of our phone. First of all, it's showing accelerometer sensor. So we have to check it. I will check it through graph. I'm checking my phone in this way, and the graph is ups and downs. Then image test. Yes, the image is moving. That's mean it's working properly. And then we'll check our gyroscope sensor. I'm moving my phone, it's working. And now I will check my gyroscope sensor through graph. I am checking my phone and in rotative motion. Yes, it's working. So my phone is in working condition. Then magnetic sensor. Yes, it passed. And fingerprint test. it's also passed. So it's proof that my phone is working fine. So now, as I told you that touch issue, many times we face touch issue in our phone. So how to check it? Press on touch. You have to start from left corner to right corner diagonally and down and left and up and right, then left and down diagonally. It passed. Now speaker. Okay, it's working. So video is going. Okay, fine. Bye friends. Today the time is over. I have to go. Stay safe, stay healthy. So I will be back with all those remaining sensors in my next video. So stay tuned. Thank you.